Hello and happy Mardi Gras, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 345th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some yummy, meaty Cajun seafood balls. And my friends, this appetizer is the bomb.com. It's full of seafood flavor, simple and easy to make, and they're going to be crispy on the outside and tender in the inside. It has 3 types of seafood in it: shrimp, crab, and salmon. How tasty does that sound? And these seafood balls would be great to serve for family gatherings, birthday parties, and other special events. Everybody's going to fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Cajun and Creole recipes playlist for more recipes, and my previous video, shrimp and sausage jambalaya. I'll also post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your seafood, your breadcrumbs, and your oil sugar, because we're about to fry some Cajun seafood balls magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have a ½ pound of shrimp that I cooked, peeled and deveined, and coarsely chopped. And we're going to add in 1 6-ounce can of crab meat. I'm using the white, or you can use the lump. And I drained it. 1 5-ounce can of salmon that I drained. A ½ can of whole kernel corn that I drained. 1 cup of cooked white rice. A ½ cup of tartar sauce, a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 egg at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of dry parsley for a little color, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and my seasonings: 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning, or you can use Cajun seasoning, and salt and black pepper to taste. And all we do is just stir all these ingredients together until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to form them into balls. You can make them big or small, just like that. And then we're going to roll it in 1 egg and into the panko breadcrumbs. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my balls, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through rolling my seafood balls. Now we're going to let it sit for about 4 to 5 minutes so the breadcrumbs can stay locked in there when we fry them. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to fry our seafood balls. I got my oil heating up to 350 degrees. So we're going to gently put our seafood balls right into the hot oil. Like so. Hear that sizzle? Yeah. That's what you want. Alright, so now we're going to let these fry on both sides for about 5 minutes. Alright, my friends, I've taken my seafood balls out of the oil and I drained them on a paper towel. Look how nice and golden brown they are. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright, so now I'm going to put them on my platter and I'll give them a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cajun seafood balls. Don't that look pretty? And I garnish it with some lemon wedge and some tartar sauce. And you can see the specks of corn. Alright, Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that crust. I'm gonna dip in some tartar sauce. Mmm. Y'all hear that crunch? Mmm. Seafood goodness. Has the right amount of heat. And these also would make a great meal. These seafood balls are incredible. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cajun seafood balls, delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Mardi Gras.